It's finally wedding day. Welcome to another video. This is our 5th and final video in our series where I'm showing you what it's like to do a real wedding from start to finish. So today is a setup for the actual wedding day. So come on, let's get started. Okay, we're all loaded and ready to go. Okay, this is a nice, easy load in. We have a long ramp here that just goes straight to the reception room. That's what we like. This is why we bring the busing carts, so that we're always able to be independent and don't have to borrow the carts from the club. It's a beautiful day, perfect day for a wedding. Let's see if they're all set up. I hope so. Oh, yay, it looks like it. Tablecloths are on the tables. See how many tables we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Perfect, 18 tables. Now, some of the tables will have the floral centerpieces that we made. The others will just have greenery with some roses, and I think she's gonna do candles. So I'm thinking that we will do flowers around the perimeter of the dance floor, and then we'll kind of have flowers kind of alternating on the other tables. Well, I'm just going to start by placing the floral centerpieces first. This is a super easy setup. I don't want you guys to think that they're all this easy. Our second cartload. Let's place the cake flowers on the cake table. See the cake table in the corner over here. Cake's not here yet, but we've got flowers for the cake, and the bakery will be putting the flowers on. That's all ready for them. Put the long, low cascading arrangement on the wedding, on the sweetheart table. That looks beautiful on the wedding party table. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Make sure it's centered on the chairs. So it's exactly 1 o'clock. That's when the photos are supposed to start. So we're gonna go ahead and take the bouquets and boutonnieres to the bride and groom and finish setting up in the reception room later, because the wedding's actually not till 4. But we are setting up early because we want to make sure we get the bouquets and boutonnieres to them by 1 o'clock. All right, so I'm going to go look for the bride's room. Okay, okay, thank you. I finally found the bride's room. It's outside the women's locker room. I think I'll just go ahead and set it up on one of these tables here. So I have the bouquets here with a little bit of water. I'm just going to set it up on the table. And they're not here yet. And then I'm going to put the corsages and boutonnieres here so we can find it. A couple corsages for the mothers. And since we have our bouquets in water, I brought little towels for them to wick off the water. Because they're a little bit late and their ceremony doesn't start for another 3 hours, I don't want these bouquets to be out. All right, our work here is done. We're gonna go back to set up the reception and the ceremony. Okay, so we're gonna set up the greenery for her candle centerpieces. So we pre-made these greenery bundles back at our studio. so that when we get here, the setup is super easy. The day of a coordinator just came by. She's looking for the vases that's supposed to go on the tables, but I'm going to set it up so that I don't really have to worry about that. We're just gonna go ahead and do it in a trio. And she has 3 vases. They could go in between the greenery. Oops, this is backwards. There we go. That's really pretty. And we're just gonna do 3 large roses and 3 spray roses per table, just so there's some flowers on here that echo the rest of the wedding. Super easy. See, this is why I always bring a busing cart. Not only does it help you transport your flowers, but you have a surface to work with so that you're not messing up the tablecloths. We're all done in the reception room. We're going to go out to the guest book table. We have 2 greenery garlands for the 2 long tables. Pretty. And then remember, we made an extra centerpiece. We're going to put it on the guest book table. We're all done for the reception. Now we're going to go do the ceremony. I'm glad this is in the shade and it's not too hot today. Okay, we're done. Make sure everything looks good. Nothing's moved during the transport. So we're all done. This is a very easy but sort of typical wedding. I wanted to show you this wedding particularly because it is very typical and there's nothing really out of the ordinary. It's pretty simple, right? So I wanted to just get a glimpse of what it's like to do a real event from start to finish. I hope this video has been helpful. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.